Hello and welcome to TNV Academy, where we simplify complex industrial and scientific topics for your professional growth. In today's video, we will explore a core analytical technique widely used in paper recycling, printing, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, and food industries, the infrared reflectance method, often abbreviated as IRM. We will break down its working principle, discuss its applications, and go in depth into how infrared light is used to detect chemical and physical properties in various materials, particularly for residual ink measurement, moisture content, and organic compound detection. Let's begin with the fundamentals. What is the infrared reflectance method? The infrared reflectance method is a non-destructive analytical technique that uses infrared, that is IR light, to measure the chemical composition and physical characteristics of a surface or sample. Instead of absorbing all the light, the sample reflects a portion of the infrared radiation, which is then analyzed to provide insights into what the sample contains. This technique is highly valuable because it enables rapid, accurate, and non-invasive measurement, especially of surface properties or thin layers. Working principles step by step. Let's now go through the step-by-step working principles of the infrared reflectance method. Step 1. Emission of IR light. The light source emits a continuous beam of infrared radiation toward the sample surface. Step 2. Interaction with the sample. As the IR light hits the sample, different chemical bonds within the sample absorb specific wavelengths. The rest of the light is reflected back. Step 3. Detection of reflected light. A detector collects the reflected light. The intensity of reflection varies based on how much was absorbed. For example, black ink absorbs more IR than white paper. Step 4. Data processing. The signal is converted into spectrum showing reflectance versus wavelength. This is masked against pre-recorded calibration curves or libraries to identify and quantify components. Step 5. Output and interpretation. The software provides outputs such as ERIC, effective residual ink content in recycled pulp, moisture percentage in paper rolls, or organic composition in polymers. Advantages of the infrared reflectance method. The IR reflectance method is widely used because of several key advantages. Non-destructive. It doesn't damage or consume the sample, allowing for repeat testing or further analysis. Fast and real. Time measurements can be completed in seconds, suitable for inline or online process monitoring. High sensitivity. It can detect very low levels of contamination or composition changes. Versatile, applicable in diverse sectors, from pulp and paper to food processing, pharma and textiles. No chemical reagents needed. Unlike wet chemistry, IRM doesn't need solvents or reagents, making it cleaner and safer. Limitations and challenges. Despite its many benefits, the method does have limitations. Surface sensitivity. It measures surface or near surface only. Subsurface composition may be undetected. Complex calibration. Requires rigorous calibration curves and reference materials. Interference. Surface texture, gloss, and color can affect accuracy. Expensive equipment. High-quality FTIR or NIR systems can be costly to acquire and maintain. These challenges require proper training, standardization, and quality control in industrial environments. Emerging innovations in IR reflectors. As technology advances, we are seeing exciting innovations in IR reflectance. Portable NIR devices, handheld IR sensors for field analysis, hyperspectral imaging combining spatial and spectral data, AI-driven analysis using machine learning to interpret reflectance spectra more accurately, miniaturized sensors for integration into production lines and mobile devices. These trends are making IRM even more accessible and powerful. Conclusion. To summarize this, we can say that the infrared reflectance method is a powerful analytical tool that leverages IR light and surface chemistry to provide fast, accurate, and Non-invasive analysis. Whether you are measuring residual ink, moisture, or organic contaminants, IRM plays a vital role in modern industry, especially in alignment with ISO standards like ISO 10370. By understanding the working principle from IR light emission to spectral data processing, professionals can better implement and optimize this technology in their own workflows. If you found this session helpful, please like this video, subscribe to TNV Academy, hit the bell icon for more technical deep dives, and drop a comment if you'd like us to cover FTIR, ERIC calibration, or hyperspectral imaging in detail next time. Until then, stay curious, stay compliant, and keep learning with TNV Academy.